everybody, it's Neil. Welcome to my kitchen. And today I have this. It's the LifeStraw water bottle with filter. So I'm going on a trip soon out of the country and I'm not sure how good the water is there. They say that they have bottled water, but I don't trust even that necessarily where I'm going. So I've got this, so you can check it out here. This is what the box looks like here. We'll see if it's boxed inside the box or something too. Nope, there we go. So this is it. And it says, oops, and this is what it looks like here. And it's got the little instructions for it here. And there's the empty box. Say there, one product, one child, 1 year of safe water. Okay, so I gave a kid a year of safe water by buying this as well. So let's check this out. So apparently how it works is you pour the water in there, pretty much like a water bottle. And then this is the straw filter thingy. And you can kind of check it out here. It's got a bunch of little holes on the side right there. You see on that side and that side as it goes through the filter, and then you suck it up through there. So looks like it's got a one-way valve here and you open it up. Yeah, so the air will go into the water bottle there and you suck from this thing here. I guess just a little rubber tip. Let me see if there's any preparation I need to do before I fill this up and give it a try. Wash it, rinse it, and fill it. And then basically each day I fill it and assemble it and drink. Seems pretty straightforward. I'm gonna wash it here just a little bit. I'll give it a little rinse. I've got some soap and water in there, and I'll just do this. Just give it a little rinse here before I go and do it. It's kind of cool. It comes with a little carabiner thingy. I'll turn it this way a little bit so you can kind of see me while I'm doing it. But here, so here. So it's definitely all soapy inside there now. I don't know why I have to clean the bottle if it's gonna filter it anyways, right? But we'll see. It's true. Yeah. I should be able to just pee in this bottle and then drink it, right? Okay, so there, it's pretty low. Rinsed. I'm not gonna say it's the most rinsed thing in the world. Here, I'm gonna fill it with some cold water from the fridge. Oh, see, now I gotta turn you guys this way so you can see me again. There. So, filling it up with, I'm filling it with already filtered water. That's kind of funny, but whatever. Let's see how much water I can fill it with here. I wonder how much space this is going to take up, so how much water is going to keep me from drinking. Okay, so here, it's pretty full. Now you can see it's full up past the max line. Oh, I see it's got a little max line on, so let's see. So there is, I'm filled up to the max line there. It has a little line out there, so it says it's 650 milliliters, I guess. And then because this is going to take up the space, I see it fills it up a little bit. And there we go. Now I have a water bottle full of water. I guess the first time when you drink it, you're not actually getting water out, you're getting air. Tastes like water. I mean, I have clean water. I'm in Florida right now, so my water is always good anyway. But actually, I'm gonna try, when I come back, I'll probably end up just using this all the time and just clean the water, because the water here sometimes tastes kind of chlorine-y. But we'll see. So I like it. So it's gonna work out pretty good, and it's got the little clip to close there, so I'll be able to carabiner this onto my belt. Actually, it's really heavy with all the water in it. I'll probably put it on my backpack or just put it down somewhere. Maybe I'll just clip my keys onto it, just so everything stays together. I don't think I could really, if you had a good belt, you could probably carry this around with you. But I like it, so I'm gonna go pack this in my luggage for my trip. And this is the LifeStraw. I'm gonna put a link to it in the description. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video. And I'll be back with some other reviews soon. There are different color choices too. I picked teal because that was one of the color options. Some of the other ones were more expensive. It was weird. Like the blue and the teal were the same color, and then like some of the other colors were like $40, and this one here I think was like 30. So I don't know, but I picked this one. Seems good to me. We'll see how it works. I'll let you know after the trip. I'll put it in the comments how it held up and everything like that. I mean, I don't really see anything. It seems like it's got that good plastic that everyone likes. And because you can see where the little straw goes down inside of it, it kind of goes on the side. I could fit a bunch of ice cubes in there too if I really wanted to keep my water cold. So I guess there's really not a whole lot to say about a water bottle, but it seems to work. Guess it filters it okay if that's what it's supposed to do. So thumbs up from me. Again, subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet already. And it's the LifeStraw with a bunch of, it's not even like a pound sign or hashtag or something. It's got a lot of lines after it. I guess that's their logo. So take care, everyone. Bye.